CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.5 Given a scenario, use the appropriate Microsoft command line tools. Netstat. The netstat command, short for network statistics, is a powerful network utility that provides detailed information about network connections, routing tables, and interface statistics. To better understand this command, imagine you're the manager of a super busy office, and you want to see all the phone calls happening at any given moment. The netstat command provides a similar function for your network, giving you a snapshot of all active connections, listening ports, and network interfaces. To use the netstat command, you simply type netstat in the command prompt and press enter. In this example, the netstat command displays all active connections, including the protocol, be it TCP or UDP, local address and port number, foreign address and port number, and the state of each connection. This information helps you understand which connections are established, waiting, or closing. For more detailed statistics, the -E option provides interface statistics, which includes information about the number of bytes and packets sent and received. This detailed information helps monitor and analyze network performance and detect issues such as packet loss or errors. Let's consider a real-world scenario. Suppose you're a technician troubleshooting a laptop that's experiencing slow internet speeds. The user reports that everything was working fine until recently, and now the connection is sluggish, even though they're not running any new programs. You suspect that some background services might be using extra bandwidth, causing the slowdown. Luckily, you now know about the netstat command, which helps you view and monitor active network connections. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.